In mining, every hour of downtime on your equipment is lost production and lost profit. When your machines run in tough conditions, keeping them online isn't a nice to have, it's essential. You probably already use maintenance tools and scheduling software, but here's what many teams overlook. Without clean, reliable data, those tools can only take you so far. Bad data slows everything down. Your team orders the wrong part, inspections fail, and critical spares aren't where they should be. All of that costs time, money, and uptime. Clean data changes that. It helps your teams plan maintenance ahead of time, find the right parts without searching, and cut down on delays that keep your assets offline. It keeps your spare parts inventory accurate, your equipment specs clear, and your maintenance schedules proactive, so your teams aren't fighting fires every day. Even your predictive maintenance systems work better. With structured, complete data, your AI tools can forecast failures before they happen, so you can fix issues before they break your operation. That's where we come in. We help automate the hard part, cleansing, enriching, and classifying your product and asset data. Our Agentic AI is built for MRO and mining data. We remove duplicates, fill in missing attributes, and apply global standards like UNSPSC quickly and accurately. We plug directly into your ERP or EAM systems, giving your teams clean, trusted data that keeps downtime low and equipment running longer. Because in the end, clean data is the key to more uptime, fewer failures, and a more productive mine. If you're ready to get more from your maintenance and inventory data, visit our website to find out more.